Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will teach you on how to create a flowchart using Flowgorithm to compute the product of the two given number. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So basically guys, I'm using Logarithm. It is free to download in the internet. One of the things that I have learned now using this program, you cannot install this one using Windows 7. If you want to install newer version, you can install older version that will work on Windows 7. The minimum operating system that the newest version of Logarithm support is Windows, the least Windows 8.1, Windows 10 and 11. Okay, because this is also the problem that I encountered, because majority of my laptop, I'm using an old laptop, can only runs on Windows 7, so I have to upgrade it to 8.1. Okay, so we have here the main, and then I initialize the variable here. I declare a variable A integer, B another integer, and then product will act as an assignment statement, and then assign a value of A equals 5, B equals 2, and then assignment statement product equals A multiplied by B, and then we display the result here. We use this following expression: product of ampersand A ampersand and ampersand B and is product, period. Let us run the program, or the flowchart rather. The product of 5 and 2 is 10. Okay, so if I will change the value of A, let's say we have 9, click OK. B, we have, let's say we have 4, click OK. When we run, the product of 9 and 4 is 36. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create a flowchart to find the product of a given number using Flowgorithm. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.